Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackson, you're watching Fish Flicks, and we got a little bit of a different kind of video for you today. I'm going to be making over my dining nook, specifically the ceiling and chandelier. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time, and I'm stuck in a snowstorm, so why not? Anyway, let's just jump right in to this project. I started by cleaning out the entire room, just removing all of the art, the table, all the dolls, just because I don't want to get paint on none of this stuff. Here's the room all nice and empty. And we're going to start by removing the bulbs and globes from the chandelier. And these globes on the chandelier are new. I was going to get a new chandelier, but then I had this idea, and so I think I'm going to keep it. Also dusted. Real good. And then to protect the screw-in part, I just wrapped some cut up plastic bag around it and then taped it off. Wait, that's actually perfect. Okay, cats are locked up. Vent is closed, windows are open. This is the spray paint I'm going to be using. Hopefully it works. Let's see. Oh no. And it wasn't in this exact moment that I realized I f***ed up. It's all in here. So I couldn't find a mask. So, okay. Take two. So I would super not recommend doing this inside. I just was like, you know what? Screw it, we're gonna do it. And if you can't tell, I'm having to open every window in my house during a snowstorm, turn on all the fans, because the fumes were outrageous. But yeah, look how cute it turned out though. And it was really quick, easy. I just had to fumigate my house for literally a whole day during a snowstorm. So next we are going to start edging with our ceiling paint, and I'm using a matte black paint for the ceiling. I know, a little controversial, but I like it. Okay, so I covered the light in a trash bag, and now I'm going to cut around the medallion. Once that was done, I started on the first coat of paint. And this is what it looked like after the first coat. And then once that was pretty dry, I went ahead and did a second coat. And then for the trim, there's an upper part that kind of goes back behind the lower part. So I painted that upper part the same black as the ceiling, and then I painted the lower part the same pink as the wall. I also painted the ceiling medallion a matte white, which I actually did off camera, and this is me just touching it up now. Next, it's time to bring everything back into the room, and at the time, I just kind of put everything back where it was, but then the next day I kind of rearranged some stuff. I'm still going to be rearranging, so when you see the finished product, just know I'm kind of not done with that. Next, I removed the trash bag from the chandelier, and I was pretty shook. I think it looks stunning. And then I just put the globes back on and the bulbs back in, and voila! Look how stunning! And then we brought the table back in. And then we brought the chairs in and did some final touches. And here's the next day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, because I do crap like this all the freaking time. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!